Go. Wash Your Dog by Kitty and Leopard. 3, 2, 1. Gonna wash my dog with new shampoo, poo, goes down the drain, comes up again, gonna wash my dog with new shampoo, poo, goes down the drain, comes up again.
Spots all over the floor, spots on the floor, who's on the ground, who's on the door,
Hey! Look out! Mom's coming! Hey!
Pause.
And let's move on to the kiddies. Cat, with a new shampoo, poo, goes down the drain, comes up again, gonna wash my cat, with a new shampoo, poo, goes down the drain, comes up again. Oh my God! She's spread fur all around the room.
Look at the size of that poo on the sofa.
Oh my God! What did you get up to, Bubbles?
Look out, Bubbles, Mum's coming.
Bubbles!
And that's the end.
No, gonna wash my dog, shampoo, poo, goes down the drain, comes up again, Thank you for watching. Please like and sub, it means a lot. Hope we can get a couple of hits. And please recommend it to your friends. We made this up from scratch. See you all later. Bye. Starring Ace and Bubbles over there. Bye. Daddy, I vlogged it out.